All right, guys, I've got a Shiba Inu update for you that I wanted to share with you in this video. We've seen a lot of volatility in the crypto market, specifically with the altcoins, and Shiba Inu has been struggling, taking a new low versus Bitcoin the other day, which is brutal. And as of late, I have been trading more, and if you want to see some of the trades that I'm making on Shiba Inu, I will start doing some more trading with Shiba Inu on this channel. So if you're interested in that, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, smash the like button. I want to talk to you guys about Shiba Inu, and maybe it's hard to tap the like button today when you're listening to a Shiba Inu video, and I can understand that because the price action for Shiba Inu is pretty gloom and doom right now. There's no doubt about it. It's been actually a really tough moment for the Shiba Inu holders because the Bitcoin dominance chart is just skyrocketing. Altcoins are just getting crushed versus Bitcoin. And Shiba Inu is no different. Again, the Shiba Inu versus Bitcoin chart took a new low just the other day, and it looks like it's formed a bottom. I do believe that we have officially seen the bottom for Shiba Inu versus Bitcoin. But does that mean that Shiba Inu doesn't have more downside versus the dollar? Well, unfortunately, the answer, my friends, is not necessarily. I am actually looking at Shiba Inu right now and thinking to myself, perhaps this could be a good opportunity for a long, just kind of looking at some of the areas that I see on the chart. Like I've got this wedge right now playing out for Shiba Inu. You can kind of see it's wicked below this, but it might be getting a bounce here potentially. It might not though. This wick might actually play out and we might see Shiba Inu come a heck of a lot lower versus the dollar. How does that play out though? Well, it plays out in this way. If all of a sudden we see Bitcoin stumbling lower, and Bitcoin does right now, it's actually taking a little bit of a nosedive, breaking lower, then it's down to 96.5. Looks like it wants to maybe even revisit the low 90, the very low 90s. Maybe even we might even see Bitcoin test 88, 89K. That's something very possible. Maybe even Bitcoin to 85K. That's kind of my lowest point that I'm willing to concede to see Bitcoin going right now. If we see all that, then Shiba Inu could fall a lot lower. How much lower could Shiba Inu fall? Well, looking at my charts, guys, there's a very clear area for Shiba Inu where we might even see it come down approximately. Unfortunately, this is crazy to say. If Bitcoin slips down to 85K, you could see Shiba Inu come down another 30 or 40%. Now, that is brutal for the Shiba Inu holders. I'm aware of this. But here's the deal, guys. The lower the Shiba Inu goes in the short term, the more X gain potential you could expect from Shiba Inu in this bull market. And that does not make sense when you say it out loud. But let me talk this through for you guys. Right now, as Bitcoin dominance is skyrocketing and altcoins are plummeting versus Bitcoin, we are not seeing an altcoin season. At some point, we should see that. Why haven't we seen that yet? Because quantitative tightening versus quantitative easing. And if that doesn't make sense to you, you've got to look it up. Ask ChatGPT where right now the federal government is with quantitative easing versus quantitative tightening. We are currently quantitative tightening. And when you're seeing quantitative tightening going on, you're not getting that pump in the risk on assets that you want to see. And today we got a new recently we got a jobs report that came in lower than expectations. But then today we got a new report from ADP, and actually there was higher than expected numbers for jobs from ADP. Now, historically speaking, that is actually bad when you're looking for quantitative easing. When you see the ADP jobs reports coming in higher than expected, typically that means the quantitative tightening will continue. What does that mean? Not Fed rate cuts. That's what that means. In fact, it means that we've got to see more progress in the slowing of that jobs growth so that we can actually get that pivot from the Fed, which sounds contrary, right? But that's just how it is, guys. And so what does any of this have to do with Shiba Inu? It has everything to do with Shiba Inu because just generally speaking, guys, risk on assets right now are not really performing that well. That's altcoins, that's Shiba Inu, that's Pepe, that's Doge. Look at it all. Dogecoin broke down through major support versus Bitcoin, which I did not expect to happen, but it happened. And Shiba Inu hit a new low versus Bitcoin. Now, it's right in my channel that I've been, and like, here, look at this here. I've got this chart of Shiba Inu versus Bitcoin. And it came down, I'll just do the zoomed in version. It came down exactly to this, look at this. It hit my trend line, look at this giant wick, and it's kind of coiling back up and trying to get a bounce. I do believe that Bitcoin dominance right now is overbought. I think too many people are panic selling their altcoins for Bitcoin right now. Is there a world where altcoins still struggle versus Bitcoin? Yes. I think that it is possible. I think that we could see Bitcoin dominance shoot up as high as 63%. Right now it's sitting at 61%. And so again, we might see Shiba Inu maybe even retest that bottom. I'd be surprised if it retests that exact bottom. I think that Shiba Inu's probably had its bloodiest moment of this bull market versus Bitcoin. I shouldn't do this for bull market. This is a bull market in my opinion. But there's no doubt that it's a difficult time. I think the best opportunity for Shiba Inu right now is trading, to be honest with you guys. And looking at the Shiba Inu USD chart, I'm going to start doing some more trades, guys. I think there's a big opportunity there because the volatility on this thing is crazy. Shiba Inu easily has 15% moves in a day. I'm sorry, my throat is dry. I had to get a little sip there because I was sick this weekend and my throat is tickled and I was going to cough in your face. I didn't want to do that. But looking at what's going on with Shiba Inu right now, the volatility is insane on it. There is tremendous trading opportunities. There's clear technical indications going on this. You got to keep an eye on Bitcoin as well because Bitcoin is going to decide whether Shiba Inu goes up or down. But if you feel like Bitcoin is at a stable zone and you see a clear level of support for Shiba Inu or a clear level of resistance for Shiba Inu, that's a great opportunity for trading, in my opinion. I'm going to be doing more trading on this channel and sharing it with you guys. So if you're interested in that, again, subscribe. If you want to do some trading with me for yourself, you could sign up for Blowfin using our link. It's in the comments section for you guys down below. Blowfin is a place where you get up to a $5,000 sign-up bonus when you sign up using our link, and you get a 15% discount on trading fees for life when you also use our link. If you're trying to figure out how to get money into Blowfin or get into crypto for the first time and you just want to start DCAing into crypto, but you don't want to do leverage trading or use Blowfin, well, you can sign up for crypto.com. It's a great place to go from your bank account into crypto. And if they've wanted to go transfer money into Blowfin, you could do that from crypto.com. But crypto.com is where I get in and out of my crypto plays, go in and out of crypto to my bank and vice versa. So check it out if you haven't done so, guys. Shiba Inu is in a tough spot. There's no doubt about it, but it is not unique. Altcoins are struggling right now. I do believe that Bitcoin dominance will top out sooner rather than later, and I think we're getting close. Do you agree? Do you disagree? Let me know in the comments down below, guys. We might be getting an altcoin season that starts late Q2, maybe Q3. I hope it starts at least in Q2. It could start in Q1. I'm feeling Q2 vibes right now, maybe Q3. What do you guys think in the comments down below? That's all I got for you in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash like, subscribe to the channel. DCA. Hodl. I'll see you in the next one, y'all. Peace.